Guys, I time traveled to April 14, 1912 to stop this. That's an iceberg right there. Why is no one slowing down? I told the officer this is exactly how it happens. We just hit it. We actually hit the iceberg. You can feel it scraping the whole ship. Look at the size of that thing. It's massive. Everyone's panicking. We have to get out of here. The engine room is flooding. They can't stop it. This is way worse than anyone thinks. Get in the lifeboats now. Please, you don't understand. This ship is going down.
Please, get in the lifeboats. There's no time.
Hurry! The ship is sinking! It's actually happening. The ship is breaking apart. I tried to stop it. I swear I did. I'm trying to get them to send warnings sooner. Maybe we can still avoid this. There has to be another ship nearby. There has to be another ship nearby. They won't listen. They think it's nothing. We should have slowed down hours ago.
Calm down. It's under control.
No! Look at the horizon. Ice. We must slow down now. This is where it's happening. The compartments are filling one by one. We're out of time. It's freezing. I can't feel my hands. There are so many people out here. Wait. They're lights. Someone's coming. We might actually make it.